You can, if you didn't hear any greens and salads and stuff like that, yeah, you don't want to be planting any of that in your full sun right now. It's like, oh, but I wanted some lettuce. I wanted some green. No, don't put it in that space. Put it in a better microclimate for that. All of your greens right now, we're planting in our E microclimates, which is that filtered sun. And we're going to plant them really dense. So that's another trick is density of plantings. The reason why, you know, I kind of joke around about, you know, these big farms that are getting these huge machines that can then laser all the weeds and or the little ones that till the little weeds out and stuff. And it's like, man, I'd love to have something like that for my garden. But then I remember, oh yeah, I don't grow like that. I don't grow with that much space between my rows. In all reality, I don't want any space between any of my plants. I don't want any room for a weed to grow. If a weed is growing anywhere in your yard that you don't want, you should be planting something else there that you do want.
Choke it out.
Yeah, it's an indicator that you've got a great spot for growing things without any effort. So for all of you that are wandering around after we had some rain a little bit this morning and stuff, and you start finding a bunch of weeds growing in spaces, that might be also an indicator that you've got a naturally growing, easy to manage, growable space right there in your yard already. Now, the only difference is you did not intentionally plant the plants that are there.